Hello everyone, my name is Simran and I am going to teach you mathematics. Students, in the last class we have already completed the exercise number 11.1 and today we are starting a new exercise of this particular chapter, that is 11.2. And in this particular exercise, students will be knowing that what is the area of the triangle if we are considering the triangle as the part of rectangles. We'll be knowing about the area of parallelograms and so on. Alright students, so firstly we'll be talking about the triangles, that what if we consider a triangle as a part of a rectangle. Alright students, so firstly triangle as a part of rectangle. So students, we all know that this is a rectangle like this, okay? It has four sides, it is its length and it is its breadth, right? So students, what is the triangle if it is a part of a rectangle? For example, students, if I am joining these two vertices, this triangle and this triangle, okay? This is triangle A for example and this is triangle B for example, okay? This is triangle B. In these two triangles, students, we have this side as common, right? In these two triangles. Alright students, we have this side as common side. This is triangle A and this is triangle B. Alright, so these are the triangles that are the parts of the rectangles. Alright students, so students, we all know that what is the area of the rectangle? It is equals to length multiplied by breadth, right? So the area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. This is the area of rectangle. This is length multiplied by breadth. Right students, so if I'm talking about the area of triangle, each triangle, मतलब हर एक triangle का area क्या होगा? How many triangles are there students? Two triangles are there in a rectangle, right? So if I'm talking about the area of each triangle, then it means half of the area of the rectangle. Alright students, क्योंकि एक rectangle के अंदर अगर दो triangles है, then the area of each triangle is equals to half of the area of the rectangle, right? Half of the area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth, right? So the area of each triangle is equals to half into length into breadth, right students? So in this particular rectangle students, we have its length 8 and we have its breadth 5, right? So students, half into 8 into 5 is equals to 8 into 5, 40. 40 divided by 2 is equals to 20. So it is 20 centimeter square. Because we know that if we are talking about the area, then the unit of the area is unit square. Alright students, so if I am talking about the area of the triangle, if a triangle is a part of the rectangle, then it is equals to half of the area of the rectangle. Alright students, so this is the triangle as a part of rectangle. Alright, now students, if I am talking about a triangle, if it is a part of the square, it means, have a look at this square students. A square is something that has all the sides equal to each other. Every side is the same. So it means when I'm joining these two vertices and I'm having two triangles, and if I'm joining these two vertices, I'll be having A, B, C and D. Four triangles are there. Look, this is triangle C, this is triangle B, this is triangle A, and this one is the triangle D. Alright, and when I'll be joining these four triangles, then I'll be getting this particular square that is having every side equal. Alright, so students, the area of each triangle, what is that students? When I'm talking about a square, the number of triangles in a square is 4. Have a look, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the area of each square, if I'm talking about in the case of square, is equals to 1 upon 4 of the area of the square. Why 1 upon 4 students? Because we have 4 triangles. तो अगर एक triangle का area बताना होगा, तो एक triangle का area क्या रहेगा? पूरे square के area से 1/4, ठीक है? This one. So 1/4 of the area of the square. Now students, if this is a square and its one side is equals to 5 centimeters, then its formula is 1 upon 4 of side square, because the area of the square is equals to side into side. Right students? If one side is equals to 5, then 5 square, it means 5 into 5, that means 25. 25 upon 4 is equals to 6.25 centimeter square. Why centimeter square, students? Because we all know that square is the unit of the area. Okay, so this is the area of each triangle if we are considering the triangle in the case of the square. Okay, now students, a very important concept, that is the area of the parallelogram. Students, this is a parallelogram. In this particular parallelogram, students, we have the opposite sides parallel to one another. Okay, these are the opposite sides that are parallel to one another. If I'm talking about the area of the parallelogram, students, then this is called its base and this one is its height. जो इसकी height होती है वो perpendicular होती है इसके base की, ठीक है? So the area of the parallelogram is, students, base into height, that is B into H. This is the area of the parallelogram. This you need to memorize. Okay, area of the parallelogram is equals to base into height. This is the formula of finding out the area of the parallelogram, right students? Now if you want to have the area of a triangle based upon the parallelogram, students, then what it is? Have a look. Area of triangle based upon parallelogram. If, students, this is a parallelogram, right, and if I'm cutting it into the two parts, how many triangles are there? Two triangles are there, 1 and 2, like A and B. Then, so students, if I need to find out the area of each triangle, then it is equals to half of the area of the parallelogram, right? Half of the area of the parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equals to base into height, then it means that area of each triangle is equals to half into base into height, that is half into base into height, area of parallelogram. So half into BH, that is 1 upon 2, BH is the area of the triangle. Alright students, this is the area of the triangle. Alright, now students, based upon these particular concepts, we will be solving some examples. Okay, so here comes the first example, that is example number 6. One of the sides and the corresponding heights of the parallelogram are 4 centimeters and 3 centimeter respectively. That is, this 4 centimeter is the corresponding side and height. 4 centimeter is the basically one of the side and corresponding height is 3 centimeters, right students? This is the sides and this is the height. These two things are given to you, students, respectively. Find the area of the parallelogram. So basically, students, side given to us is 4 centimeter, height given to us is 3 centimeter. We need to find out the area of the parallelogram. So students, remember what was the area of parallelogram? So students, area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. Base into height. Clearly, this is your base. Your base is 4 and your height is 3. So 3 into 4, that is equals to 12 centimeter square. Why centimeter square, students? Because we know that the area of anything is the square unit. Okay, unit square. So this is the area of the parallelogram, as the area of the parallelogram is equals to base into height. So 3 into 4, that is 12 centimeter square is the area of the parallelogram. This is your example 6, students. Looking at the next example, that is example number 7. What is that? Find the height x if the area of the parallelogram is 24 centimeter square and the base is 4 centimeter. Okay, you know area of parallelogram, that is 24 centimeter square, and you also know the base. You need to find the height. Okay, so let height be x, students. x बोला हुआ है, height कितनी है हमारी? x centimeters, right? We have the base is equals to 4 centimeters. We have area of parallelogram that is equals to 24 centimeter square. Now students, what is the formula of the area of the parallelogram? That is equals to base into height. Write it down. Area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. Right. So base is equals to, students, 4, height we need to know, and what is height, students? That is x. Okay, and what is this area of parallelogram? That is 24. This is the required thing, students, that you need to solve. 24 is equals to 4 into x. Now students, 4 into x. X is in the multiplication with this 4. So you need to divide this 4 from this thing so that you can find the value of the x. Okay. So students, x is equals to 24 divided by 4. That is equals to 6. So x is equals to 6. X is your height. So your height is equals to x is equals to 6 centimeter. This is the required thing that was asked from the question. Okay. Looking at the next example, students, that is your example number 8. What is that? The two sides of the parallelogram ABCD are 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. These are two sides given to us. Here it is. This is side AD, that is equals to 4 centimeter. And this is your side DC, that is equals to 6 centimeter, right? These are two sides given to you of a parallelogram, right students? The height corresponding to the base CD is 3 centimeter. अब जो height है, जो CD base के across दे रखा है हमें, ये जो height है, this is 3 centimeter, right students? Firstly, you need to find the area of the parallelogram. So students, what is the area of the parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. Base into height. So students, if I'm talking about this base, okay, the base CD, then it is equals to 6. And if I'm talking about the height across this base, then it is equals to 3. Okay. So students, 3 into 6 is equals to 18 centimeter square. This is the area of the parallelogram. Alright students. So first part जो हमने solve किया है, इसका answer क्या आ रहा है? 18 centimeter square. Alright students. Now students, the next part, what is that? The height corresponding to the base AD. अब हमने एरिया निकाल दिया पैरेललोग्राम का जो भी आ रहा है. अब हमें बताना है कि अगर हम बेस लें AD, तो उसके अक्रॉस जो हाइट है, ये वाली x है, ये क्या है? ठीक है, सेम चीज इसके साथ लगेगी स्टूडेंट्स. एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम is equals to, have a look, base into height, right? We know that area of parallelogram is equals to 18. ये हमें पता है कि ये 18 है. So this 18 is equals to students, base क्या है? 4. हाइट कितनी है? x. ठीक है, यही तो निकालना है ना, x ही निकालना है हमें. So 18 is equals to 4 into x. If you need to find this x, then you need to put this 4 in the division of 18. Okay, you have to just take this 4 from here, that is right hand side, to the left hand side. So this will be 18 divided by 4 is equals to x. So this x will turn out to be students 4.5. Okay, 4.5, what is that? Centimeter. This is the height. Okay, height corresponding to the base AD is equals to 4.5 centimeters. Alright students, and this is the example number 8. Alright, looking at the next example students, what is that? It is example 9. Find the area of the following triangles. Okay, हमें अब इस triangle का area बताना है. ठीक है, now students, in this particular triangle, have a look. This is QR, that is equals to 4 centimeter, that is the base, and this is PS, that is your height, that is equals to 2. So if you want to find the area of the triangle, then the formula of the area of the triangle is equals to, area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Alright students, it is equals to half into base into height, that is equals to half into, what is the base? That is 4. What is the height students? That is 2. 2 will be cancelled out from this 2 because this is in the denominator and this is in the numerator. So students, this is equals to 4. 4 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. Alright students, looking at the next question, what is that? The part 2. Find the area of the following triangle. This is the triangle given to you. What is the area of this triangle? So students, area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Alright students, this is your half. What is the base students? This mn. Okay, mn is the base. And what is the height? This is the height, that is LO. This is your height. So students, half into 3 into 2, 2 and 2 will cancel out each other because one is in the numerator and another one is in the denominator. So students, 1 into 3 is equals to 3 centimeter square. This is the area of the triangle. Alright students, looking at the next question, what is that? The question number 10. Okay, find BC. You have to find out this particular side, right? You have to find out the BC if the area of the triangle ABC is 36 centimeter square. अगर हमें triangle ABC का जो area दे रखा है वो कितना है? 36 centimeter square दे रखा है and the height AD is equals to 3 centimeter. You need to find out BC then. So students, this is very simple. Area of triangle BC, area of triangle ABC is equals to half into base into height. Right? What is the base students? The base is equals to BC. And what is the height students? The height is equals to AD. This AD, right? So students, area of triangle is equals to 36. 36 is equals to half into BC. We need to find out the BC. And what about AD students? This is 3. Have a look. You need to find out this thing. So firstly, you have to take this thing, that is half. Okay, it is in the division. This 2 is in the division with the variable. That is what we need to find out. Okay, so we'll take it to the multiplication over the left hand side. Okay, so this BC is equals to 36 into 2. Now students, this 3 is in the multiplication with the variable that you need to find out. Okay, so if you need to find out this, then you need to take this 3 over division of the left hand side. Okay, so this is 3. Now students, this 3 and this 36 will cancel out each other on the table of 12, as 12 into 3 is equals to 36. Okay, so this will go off at the table of 12. So students, BC is equals to 12 into 2, which is equals to 24. So students, the BC, that is your base, is equals to 24 centimeter. Okay, and this is the required base. And along with this, this is your example number 10. Alright students, looking at the next example 11 students, in triangle PQR, PR is equals to this PR is equals to 8 centimeters, this QR is equals to 4 centimeters, PL is equals to 5 centimeter. Now you need to find out the area of triangle PQR, this triangle PQR. Alright students, so firstly, to find out this particular triangle, you know the base, you know the height. Okay, so we can easily find out the triangle's area, right? This PQR. Alright, so triangle PQR's area is equals to half into base into height, right students? So here we can consider base as what can we use as base students? That is your QR, and height students PL. So half into what is QR? That is 4, PL is 5. इसको 2 के टेबल पे काटा, 2 into 10, 2 into 5, that is 10. 10 कितना? सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो एरिया क्या आ गया स्टूडेंट्स ट्राइंगल PQR का? 10 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, राइट? ठीक है, अब स्टूडेंट्स हम क्या करेंगे, एरिया हमें पता लग गया. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हमें क्या बोला निकालने को? QM, मतलब ये चीज कितनी है. ठीक है, अगेन ये कैसे निकालेंगे? ट्राइंगल PQR का एरिया क्या है हमें पता है. अब कितना? 10 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. इसका मतलब ये भी है कि हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. अगर स्टूडेंट्स अब ध्यान दो, बेस को अगर मैं ले लूं PR, ठीक है, तो अगर मैं PR को बेस लेती हूँ तो हाइट क्या लूंगी? QM. ठीक है, तो हाइट QM होगी ना. PR कितना है? 8, तो QM कितना है वो मैं निकाल सकती हूँ अब. ठीक है, इसको हटाया, ये कितना बन गया? 4. सो QM इज इक्वल्स टू स्टूडेंट्स 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 4, दैट इज 2.5 सेंटीमीटर्स. तो इसी के साथ QM पता लग गया, दैट इज 2.5 centimeter. And with this students, we are completed with the example 11. इसी के साथ हमारा ये एक्सरसाइज के एग्जाम्पल्स यहाँ पे कंप्लीट होती हैं. इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास स्टूडेंट्स विल बी गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द क्वेश्चन बेस्ड अपॉन दिस पर्टिकुलर concept. Till then students, have a nice day to all of you. Bye bye.